let me show you what happened to this bullshit. I literally just went to the DMV yesterday to get the new one.
You got your license on you?
Yeah, I was heading home about 2 weeks ago when I heard a clunk, clunk, clunk sound. I get home, license plate's completely gone. It completely flew off. I just went to the DMV yesterday and I got the new one, paid for it and all that. I went down to go install it and the license plate bracket itself is gone as well. And I don't have the money to do that, so now I got to find the time to like drill inside of here to install the actual license plate itself. It's not like I'm trying to run with no plate or anything.
You have the registration for it?
Yeah.
Did you get the new plates already there?
Yeah, I have the new plate. It's at home right now.
Yeah.
So like I said, I just got to find the time to like drill inside of that plastic right there to install it.
Okay.
Because I don't want to spend $200 on a new.
I don't blame you.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a second.
You're good? Sounds good.
What year is it?
2025.
Here you go. All right, brother. Hey, before you get back on the pier, just make sure it's clear, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, brother.
That's safe, man.
Motorcycle cops aren't known for cutting riders much slack because they understand the dangers firsthand. This guy though, he was wearing a military uniform. Do you think that helped him to get out of the ticket? Police were in tactical pursuit of two individuals on a motorcycle, suspected of robbery spree that had just netted several stolen cell phones. Partway through the chase, an intense exchange of fire broke out, turning an already serious pursuit into an extremely dangerous one for the officers involved.
Hello.
So I was trying to stop all four of you, but, you know, we're kind of flying down 40, and then which one of you just did a wheelie?
Getting caught for reckless driving can hit your wallet hard. The ticket alone runs $1,300 and this biker was spotted pulling wheelies. Let's see whether pulling over straight away pays off for him.
I can't lie, man, it might have been mine.
I ain't gonna lie, because I wasn't paying. I mean, there was four of you, so I forget which one did a wheelie, but I can check the video. All right, listen.
I just got this bike. I'm still learning it, so it's kind of aggressive. I came from a smaller bike, so my apologies, man.
We were all driving recklessly down 40, all four
Were
of
we?
you guys.
I apologize.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I appreciate you guys stopping.
Yeah, of course,
I honestly
of course.
thought you were gonna take off.
No, absolutely not.
All right, you have your licenses on you. All right, thank you. Let me just grab your name.
Yeah, of course. I'll show you insurance and stuff. Just my apologies on everything.
It's all right. I get it. You know, the bikes are fun. It's just,
yeah.
Listen,
I just upgraded, so I can't lie, man. It's been a trip kind of figuring this thing out. It's a little too much if you've been honest with you.
Right. What's your date of birth again? All right. Yeah, just give me 1 second. All right.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you.
No, but you know, doing wheelies. So the other thing, I don't know if you know, doing a wheelie is at 13. If I wrote you a citation, it's $1,300.
Jesus.
Well, it's not quite. It's like it's like $11.50, but still,
I'm gonna put it back in like dummy mode.
Yeah,
like I said, I bought it not too long ago.
Listen, the only reason I'm not writing you the citation is because you stopped. All right? Because I mean, we
appreciate
both
it.
know if you guys decided to floor it, I can't read these tags anyway. So
There's no damn sense in doing that anyways,
Yeah,
man.
well.
I've never done it before, so why start now, you know?
just slow it down, be a little bit safer for me. All right? I get it. The bikes are fun and stuff, but I don't want to come out here and see you guys
Splattered on the road or
exactly.
something. I
Just
get you,
because
man.
you're having fun on them.
I
So,
really
all right?
appreciate you.
No problem, guys. You're good to go. Have a good night.
Hey,
all right?
thank you, man. Be safe out there, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Thank you, sir.
Passing a cop on the highway with no plate is the kind of move that makes an officer expect the worst. He was almost certainly braced for the biker to run and for the pursuit to follow. Instead, this biker made a smart call and pulled over right away.
Hey, I seen you on the other side not too long ago.
Hey, the reason I'm stopping you because of your license plate, man.
I know, it literally fell off. It ripped off.
Okay.
I had the
Yeah.
I had the paperwork and everything.
Yeah. Can I see your license?
Yeah.
The registration for the bike?
Yeah.
Where did you see me? I'm sorry, dude. I was listening to the.
I have you was on the other side of the freeway, you had somebody put over.
Did I?
Yeah, I seen you. That's crazy.
You been riding up and down, or you just saw me? You're going somewhere?
No, I was heading to Fremont.
Fremont? Okay. Is this bike registered to you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. How long have you had the bike?
Like 3 days.
3 days?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, like the paper plate on there?
Yeah.
I can take that second paper.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have, do you know where it's at, or it just kind of flew off and you didn't realize?
I was in Oakland. I have my friend was with me and he was recording me when I noticed it ripped off. This side.
This side?
You kind of have to look down into it.
Okay, just stay right here. I'll get you out of here soon, okay?
All right. I knew he's gonna pull me over, bro. Oh, hey, he's a cool cop though. This is a cool cop. I'm not gonna lie.
It's you!
Hey,
Bro!
bro,
Where's your plate?
bro. We had this story already.
No, but come on, I told you, the business.
But we already went through this. I'm getting mine through the mail.
That's because I recognized your half-cut plate, and I was like, oh, that's him.
I seen you when you pulled over the other car. I was watching you, and we was getting ready. I knew you was gonna do a U-turn. That's why I started recording.
I just recognized your bike, so I was like, let me just say this something.
That's bad, bro. Like, what's up, man? Nice to see you again. That's crazy.
Hey, be safe, because that day, yesterday, right after I talked to you, I took a motorcycle crash. That guy was messed up. Wherever you guys are going to go right now, just be careful.
Okay, thank you.
I just don't want to hear anything bad.
Man, I appreciate that.
I'll see you around.
Yes, sir.
Days later, the biker's license plate still hadn't arrived, so he was running a paper plate instead, which led the officers to suspect it wasn't genuine.
Yeah.
I thought you were running from me.
No, man.
Okay. I saw you bobbing your head. I was giving you commands over the PA. You couldn't hear them?
I was listening to music.
Okay. All right.
I was vibing.
Try one headphone next time.
I have one.
Just one?
Yeah, and the bike's loud.
All right. Well, I'll try to make my PA a little bit louder. Let me take a look at your driver's license real quick, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
My bad, dude. This is a good day today.
I understand. It's all good. You weren't driving crazy. You passed me doing like 82, and I'm like, come on, man.
What?
And I went over the PA, and you didn't stop, and I'm like, shoot, is this guy running from me? That's what I thought.
What'd you say?
I said, hey, man, just slow it down for me. That's
I didn't hear you, dude.
It's okay. It's all right. I appreciate you stopping anyway.
If I would have ran, I would have ran after the 2 semis.
I figured. I was like, he's not taking off like he should be, but okay.
Nah, dude.
I thought you were just playing with me for a minute.
Nah, dude.
All right. Give me a sec.
Yeah.
Is your license good?
My license is good, and I dealt with CHP literally like 2 days ago.
Okay.
And my plates fell off. I got it.
I saw that too, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
They were tucked, but I just saw it's paper.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you ain't kidding.
Yeah, I was talking to them. They checked it. Everything's good.
All right, cool. Let me run it real quick, and then I'm going to get you out of here, okay?
Appreciate it, man.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you very much. I got a personal policy. If you stop on a bike, I'm not going to give you a ticket.
Man, what's your name?
Kennerly, Dustin.
Dustin?
Yep.
Nice to meet you, man. You're pretty cool. Oh, it's a Lamborghini.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Oh, McLaren.
It's a McLaren, yeah.
Hey, you know what? You was speeding too.
I was. I'm supposed to. How else am I supposed to catch speed, right?
Yeah,
I wasn't looking for you.
Reasonable.
Hey, you have a good one. Please be safe, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Running from the cops is never worth it. A minor stop becomes a felony, and the chase itself puts you, the officers, and every other driver in danger. Pull over, take the ticket, and go home.
I have my plate right here. You don't have a motorcycle license? Yes, sir. I just think I've had a few Chicksons in R1. I get it. Yeah. Did you bring this bike from Nevada, or did you?
No. So I bought the bike here.
It was something.
No, I customized it. I did everything myself. Yeah.
As soon as I started doing this job, I said I'll never get on one again.
How old are you? 34.
Oh, no, I was 20. See, too much on the highway, it's problem.
Yeah.
Since I give me a couple minutes, we just go. That's it. Thank you. Warning. You know what? Life gets a little bit easier.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, officer.
All right, man. You take care, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
What's up, bro? What's going on?
I got pulled over here at Waffle House, getting a ticket again for my tag.
This biker is a First Amendment auditor, and he was filming an officer conducting a stop. Not long after, the same officer pulled him over, something the biker believes was retaliation. During the stop, he said the officer violated his rights.
Mr. Officer, you are going to be issued a citation for illegal tag display. Court date of October 14th at 8 a.m. If you want to contest the ticket in court with the judge, you're not even paid before that court date. You don't have to show up in court. Just indicate the signature for me on here. By signing, you're not admitting guilt. You're just stating you're aware you received the citation. You promise to take care of it by appearing in court on that court date.
No, sign it.
Okay. The other option is I impound your bike and you go to jail by refusing to sign it. So this is what it says right here that you are promising. This is without admitting guilt. I promise to appear in Oklahoma City Municipal Court at the date and time below. If you refuse to do that, you go to jail and they'll set you a court date from there.
So I just want to confirm, you're saying if I don't sign this,
You will
you'll
be
impound my vehicle and you'll arrest me?
Yes, sir. This is you signing to be released here instead of having to go to jail. Your license and copy of the ticket. You're part of the motorcycle gang up here up the street?
I'm not affiliated with any gangs.
You don't hang out up here at 10th and Martin Luther King at that clubhouse?
Am I free to go?
Sure.
Thank you.
I'll be sure to mark you down as hanging out with 1%ers.
The case went on court, where the judge ruled the stop was illegal and found the biker not guilty.
What are y'all doing out here? Hanging out?
What type of question is that?
Really? You know, technically that's against the law, even on private property. It's called reckless harm.
Didn't know that.
You and you weren't. I seen you two out here.
Me?
No, you two. Sorry.
Yeah, I didn't know that was reckless op. So.
You know about the group of guys riding the bikes down Dog Lake?
What's Dog Lake?
Right here, this road.
No.
About 5 of them.
No.
I pulled up next to you right there.
That was me. That was him.
Oh, that's you. Yeah, I pulled up next. I saw you, but I didn't know of any other riders out here. No.
How long you guys been out here?
I mean, I just got here. I literally just pulled up next to you.
Is it not on there?
Ain't no plate on it.
It fell off then.
Huh?
Said it fell off then.
Fell off?
Yeah. I got zip ties holding it. You can run the vent and everything though.
Bolt's supposed to go through here though.
I didn't use bolts.
Why not? Not washer?
You want to do it? You want to be my mechanic?
I work on my own.
Oh, that's exactly. So I'll put zip ties. I don't have bolts.
Oh.
But Vin's right there if you want to run it.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Yep.
I'm thinking.
Yep. So what?
Where did you ride from?
What do you mean?
Like, where'd you come from?
Just riding around.
Just riding around?
Yeah.
Like, where you live at? Anywhere around here?
You can run my name and see where I live at. I get my keys, brother.